In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Facebook leads. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. To start the integration process, first, head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by visiting Zapier.com. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll need an account to create your Zaps. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details and get ready to create a new Zap. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. You'll find this on the main dashboard. Click on it to begin crafting your new Zap. This is the first step in integrating Facebook leads with your chosen application. Now, let's navigate to the Zaps section. This is where you can view all the Zaps you've previously created and manage them. It's a great hub for keeping track of your automation processes. When you click on Zaps, you'll be presented with a list where you can choose to make new creations or edit existing ones. Next, it's time to set up the trigger for your Zap. This step is crucial because it defines what will kick off the automation. Click on Trigger, and you'll be prompted to select the app that will trigger your Zap. In the search bar, type Facebook to find the Facebook Lead Ads integration. This is essential for pulling in leads directly from your Facebook campaigns. Click on Facebook Lead Ads once it appears in the list of options. Once you've selected Facebook Lead Ads, you need to choose an event. For our purposes, you'll want to click on New Lead. This event signifies that whenever a new lead is created on your Facebook page, your Zap will spring into action. Now let's transition to the action part of our Zap. Click on Action, which allows you to define what should happen once the trigger occurs. Again, enter Google in the search bar, as we will use Google Sheets to store our leads. Find and select Google Sheets. After selecting it, you'll need to choose another event, just like you did with the trigger. Find and click on Create Spreadsheet Row. This step will ensure that every new lead captured from Facebook is logged as a new row in your Google Sheets. The next crucial step requires you to sign into both your Facebook Lead Ads account and your Google Sheets account. This connection will finalize your integration, making sure the data flows seamlessly from Facebook to Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to complete this process. And just like that, you're all set up. This integration allows you to automate the process of collecting leads from Facebook directly into a spreadsheet, which can save you a ton of time and effort. With your Zap active, you'll be able to focus more on engaging with your leads rather than manually tracking them. There you have it. You've successfully integrated Zapier with Facebook leads. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did, and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.